changing my topic and writing about that instead because it's more complete.
When's that due? The 16th?
17th. Because the twist is turns out like purgatory.
98 out of
Not like act.
Should've kept up with you, but I didn't. I should've stayed up later with, but I didn't. I wasn't made for you, and you weren't meant for me. But why can't I get over you when we weren't even a thing?
Lift it up, Peppy.
I'm gonna eat it in 5 seconds.
But I tried for you.
Do you really feel like
I tried for you. I tried to keep you
I guess.
warm, but it didn't work out. I wish I was enough for you, but I wasn't. I wish I was more than her, but I guess I just have to accept the fact that you're gone. But why is it so hard to get over you when we weren't even items? But I tried for you. I tried for you. But it's too
Yeah, do you understand? Okay, let's go. Slay. What about Temoいいですか? Oh, Temo いいです。すみません。
I
It's not?
in other countries, but we have all kinds of flavors. This is regular banana chips, and they have like a slight sweetness in them because they're bananas. This one is sweet, sweet. It's like a sweet, sweet banana chip. And then you have this one that's bland banana chips for business who don't like sweet at all, and people are sucking tabs. And this one's the same as this one. So those are the 4 flavors we have. And let's see which one will
Those stars are ginormous, and we think those stars are small.
It's out of me.
Raise your hand if you would like to skip. He's dead.
Hear me out. In the first round, he was saying that he's the doctor, but I am the doctor because I saved myself. I know it. I am the doctor, so that means she is the detective. See, she is not.
Hold on.
Wait.
That's so pretty.
Because it's so fucking interesting.
Wait, let me try again. Don't make it too sweet. Wait. Don't make it too sweet. And it goes.
See, Nat, sweet people eat sweet stuff. Unlike you, bitter stuff.
Okay.
You know, it's not comfy.
Heartbreak. More than a leg.